Have you ever wondered how small nations like Lithuania prepare to defend themselves in the face of rising tensions with Russia? Well, recently, Lithuania made a bold move. They're planning to acquire advanced Vanguard-Class multirole ships from Norway. This isn't just about boosting firepower, it's about national security, NATO unity, and sending a loud and clear message to any potential aggressor in the Baltic region. Let's understand exactly what's happening here, why Lithuania is doing this, and how it's a game changer for Baltic security. Let's start with a bit of background. Lithuania is one of 3 small Baltic nations, along with Latvia and Estonia, sandwiched between Russia and the strategically important Baltic Sea. After Russia's invasion of Ukraine, these countries realized one thing very clearly: proximity equals vulnerability. The Baltic Sea is not just water, it's a battlefield for influence, control, and security. From energy pipelines to naval routes, whoever controls the Baltic controls a huge chunk of European access and deterrence. And this is where Lithuania steps in. To protect its coastline, its harbors, and NATO's eastern border, it needs modern naval capability, something it has long lacked. So, what are these Vanguard-Class ships? These are not your typical warships with huge missiles and heavy cannons. Instead, they are modular, flexible, and mission-specific ships designed by Norway's top defense company. They are designed to do multiple tasks, like coastal patrol, mine hunting, surveillance, and anti-submarine warfare. What makes them unique is their modular mission bay, which means you can swap out the equipment on the ship depending on the mission. Need sonar to detect submarines? Plug that in. Need a drone surveillance system? Switch it in. This level of adaptability is ideal for smaller navies like Lithuania's, where every ship needs to do more than just one job. Now let's talk about why Lithuania chose Norway and these specific ships. First, Norway is a NATO partner with an excellent track record in defense technology. Second, these ships are already tested in harsh northern sea conditions, making them perfect for the Baltic. But the decision isn't just military. It's strategic and economic. Lithuania has expressed interest in local cooperation. That means some components may be manufactured or assembled locally, giving a boost to the Lithuanian defense industry. This also ensures long-term maintenance capability, because when you build something locally, you also learn how to fix it locally. Smart move, right? Another key reason behind this decision is standardization. Many NATO countries suffer from one big problem. They all have different kinds of ships, vehicles, and equipment, which leads to complex logistics. By choosing a NATO standard vessel already in use by allies, Lithuania ensures interoperability. Training, spare parts, ammunition, everything becomes easier when you share common platforms. If tomorrow there's a joint operation between Norway, Lithuania, and Germany, they'll already be speaking the same technical language. Let's look at the bigger picture. This isn't just about one country buying a few ships. It's part of a larger Baltic defense plan, which includes Estonia, Latvia, and support from the broader NATO alliance. In fact, Lithuania is already part of the Baltic Defense Line, a joint project that aims to build bunkers, fortifications, and sensor systems across NATO's eastern flank. With these ships, Lithuania will now be able to monitor its waters, patrol its economic zones, and even respond to hybrid threats like drone incursions or undersea sabotage. In short, Lithuania is becoming harder to mess with. To wrap up, Lithuania's plan to buy Norwegian Vanguard-class ships may seem like just another defense deal, but it represents a smart, strategic upgrade to national and regional security. It shows that even small nations can make big moves when it comes to defending their sovereignty and strengthening NATO's eastern border. In a world where threats can come from air, land, or sea, this is Lithuania's way of saying, "We're ready,